Most people give up on listening practice in 2 weeks. Sounds familiar? What if one bite-sized story could keep you hooked, drop new words into your ears, and still leave time to finish your coffee? Say hello to Leo, a nosy little cat who just found a map that's about to flip that stat on its head. Section 1. The map appears. Leo lived above a bakery on the quiet side of town. Every dawn he'd stretch, yawn, and watch the baker slap dough around like it owed him money. Same smells, same view, same life. Then one rainy Tuesday, the mail shot through the slot and landed with a soggy thud. Bills, and a tiny scroll tied in red ribbon. Leo batted it. Ribbon slipped. Paper rolled open. Sky blue ink glimmered. It read, "For the brave of Pa." Brave? Leo had never left the block. The map showed a silver thread starting at his window and racing across oceans. He touched it. Paper hummed like a sleepy bee. 1 heartbeat, warm. 2 heartbeats, the room spun. 3 heartbeats, Leo was floating inside a ribbon of light. Bakery gone, rain gone, only the map ahead glowing. Section 2. First stop, Paris. Leo blinked. Cobblestones under paw, butter and sugar in the air. A sign shouted, "Marché de la Tour Eiffel." And there she was, the Iron Lady, towering like she'd been waiting for him. A pigeon landed, cocked its head. "Bonjour, petit chat. First time?" Leo managed a nod. "Follow your nose," the bird said, and flapped off. He did. Past croissants fleeking like gold leaf, strawberries glowing like rubies, cheese wheels big enough to nap on. At a crepe stand, a flour-dusted woman chuckled. "Un petit chaton. Try a corner?" She sprinkled sugar on a paper-thin scrap. Leo tasted heaven, purred like an engine. No French? No problem. A quick ankle rub said thank you well enough. Section 3. Vocabulary check-in. Quick pause. 3 words to tuck in your pocket. Curious. That itch to know more. Leo's curiosity made him touch the map. Vendor. The nice person selling doties. The crepe vendor fed our hero. Buzzing. The alive, electric hum of the market around him. Section 4. The train to Jaipur. The map shimmered. Wind lifted Leo like a gentle hand. Next stop, the Jaipur Express. Red car, brass doors so shiny you could check your whiskers in them. Outside, green fields rolled forever. Inside, a girl in a sunflower yellow scarf smiled. Out came a tiny clay bowl of kheer, creamy, cardamom-scented rice pudding. He lapped it up while the train rocked and the sky blushed orange. Camels trotted beside the tracks, bells jingling. "Where to, little traveler?" the girl asked in clear English. Leo only purred, but his eyes said thanks. The whistle blew, long, low, lonely, and the world blurred again. Section 5. Vocabulary check-in. 3 more souvenirs. Polished. Shiny enough to signal planes. Grateful. That warm, full-hearted thank you feeling. Whistle. The train's way of saying, "All aboard, last call." Section 6. Tokyo at night. Lights. Neon pinks, greens, cherry blossom scent mixing with soy sauce. Tokyo breathed slow and powerful, like a dragon pretending to nap. Paper lanterns swayed, a robot vacuum beeped past like a polite UFO. A digital cat clock blinked 11:11. A street saxophone played silver notes that floated upward like bubbles. A boy in a baseball cap spotted Mio. Kawaii neko. He offered an onigiri. Seaweed crackled. Salmon sang. The mom kneeled. Lost, little one? Leo just gazed at the map glowing inside his head. The line ended here, in a circle of light. Something had to happen next. Section 7. The Wish. The lantern overhead began to spin. Lights flickered. The map slipped out of nowhere and hovered. Golden words appeared. For one final gift for the brave. A tiny silver bell floated from the circle. Leo touched it with his nose. Ting! One pure note wrapped around him like silk. Suddenly, every word he'd heard, French, Hindi, Japanese, clicked into place, clear as spring water. The boy gasped. He understands us. Magic, plain and simple. Leo picked up the bell, map folded itself to a stamp, and pop! They were gone. Section 8. Home again. Leo blinked. Same apartment, same bakery smells, yet everything hummed a new tune. He set the silver bell on the windowsill. When the baker came up with fresh bread, Leo greeted him. Good morning, in perfect English. Tray nearly hit the floor. Word spread. The polyglot cat is in. Kids arrived to pet him and practice English. Every new word rang the bell softly. Leo purred louder each time. Section 9. Quick review of adventure words. Journey, that long zigzag trip across 3 countries. Familiar, the cozy smell of home you never noticed before. Swelled, the heart so full it might burst with joy. Section 10. The message for you. If Leo can taste Paris, ride Jaipur, groove in Tokyo, and still pick up English, so can you. The trick isn't speed. It's staying curious, saying thanks, and taking tiny steps every single day. Keep listening, keep imagining, keep traveling right from your couch. Conclusion. Your turn. Where should Leo head next? Drop your dream stop in the comments and try today's new words in a sentence. Hit subscribe for the next tale. Ring your own silver bell each time a phrase clicks. Happy listening and bon voyage!